Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie again, and today I'm doing a reaction video today, and it's called YouTube Poop, or just YTP. Laura's Strange Addiction to Fridges. This is a Michael Rosen video, and it's made by my friend Oliver Krieger. It's published by him, and some people. I am actually, and before I start this video, I like get into this. I'd love you to make some some very good likes on this video, and remember to subscribe to me. Okay, so now let's get into it. I'll just put on full screen and play. Oh, GameCube.
Laura laughs. She's seen my fridge. Horrible. Once you get that bum of yours stuck in that bum of yours, you'll never get it off again, do you?
George died in Rosencrantz. I think Oliver made that too.
I'm not that good at it.
What?
Conversations with the babysitter. An apple. Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed.
Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed, go to bed.
We're going on the bear. Shut your mouth. Oh, this is horrible. Big one.
Oh my gosh, I guess that was the end of it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching that. So remember to subscribe to me and hit the notifications button, and remember to like this video. So I'll catch you next time on my on my channel, Bells Junior 8. And also, you should make sure you subscribe to Oliver's channel too. It's like, well, he's my friend, that's why I said that. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching that. I'll see you next time for the next video, and peace out.